बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Today we will learn 3.2 exercise. First, we will learn how we can see the logarithm of a number. The question exercise 3.2. Find the common logarithm. Find the common logarithm. Common logarithm. No. The first number, first part of first question, question number 1. 232.92. You will also use calculator. Now here you see this number, this is whole number 0.92. Directly you will use the calculator. Let x is equal to 232.92, taking log on the both side, we get log x is equal to log 232.92. Now we will use calculator. Let's suppose you press log and write the number 232.92. Now press equal. You will write here log x is equal to 2.3672. Now this is your answer. Similarly, part 2, 29.326. Again, let x is equal to 29.326, taking log on the both side, we get log x is equal to log 29.326. Again you will use the calculator. Here press log and write the 29.326 is equal to, right here 1.46723. Now this is our answer. To question number 1, third part, we write here third part is equal to 0.0032. Now there is no whole number, and this is less than 1. Whenever the number is less than 1, you will use to find the common logarithm of this number. This is our decimal point. On the left side is 0. There is no whole number, and immediate after decimal point is 30. It means you will write 4 bar. First you let x is equal to 0.0032, taking log on the both side, we get log x is equal to log 0.0032 is equal to log x. First we will find the characteristics of this number. This is our decimal point. On the left side is 0. There is no whole number. After decimal point there are 3 zeros. It means you write 4 bar. This is 4 bar. This is decimal point. Now you will find the 32. You write log 32 is equal to 1.5051. You ignore this number. You ignore this number is equal to this number 1. You find this ignoring this one because we have taken the characteristics 4. You only write decimal part here 50 and 51. Now this is the answer of this question. Now similarly the part 4. This is our port 4 part 0.3206. Again let x is equal to 0.3206, taking log on the both side, we get, you write here, again I write the same, log x is equal to log 0.3206. Now log x again you write here. Now this is our decimal point. On the left side there is no whole number. On the left side is 0. You subtract 1 from 0 minus 1. We write 1 bar. Minus 1 is equal to 1 bar. We write 1 bar. Decimal point is here. Now we'll use this 3206. You will use the calculator. Log press 3206 is equal to 3.50596. You ignoring the 3 because we have written this characteristics of this number. You ignore the 3 in the calculator. You only write 50596. You write here 50596. Now again log x is equal to 1 bar point. This is 6. We round off this the 4 digits. This is our 4 digits. This is 6. This is greater than 5. You leave this number 6. You add 1 in this. You get 0605. Now the answer of this 306 is equal to log x is equal to 1 bar point 5060. Now this is your answer. The question number is 2. Question number 2. The question number 2 is log 31. If log 31.09 is equal to 1.4926. This is given. Again, find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. We will use this values. We will get the answer. Here log 31. Log, this is first part our log 3.109. You use here, this is equal to, this is decimal point. On the left side there is only one whole number. We subtract 1 because we want to find the characteristics. This is decimal point. On the left side is only 1 digit. We subtract 1. 0. It means characteristics is 0. The ignoring this decimal point, you will find on this number. You write here. You will also this number 3109. Now the mantissa is this mantissa 4926. Now this is your answer. Log 3 is equal to log 3.0109 is equal to. Now this is your answer. Second part of this question is equal to log 310.9. Now again we First we write the characteristics of this number. This is equal to, this is 3 digits, this is decimal point. On the left side 3, 1, 10 is whole number. It consists of 3 digits. We subtract 1. You write here 2. Point. You also use the calculator for this, but you will solve this question with the help of this. Now do you write characteristics, or now you write the mantissa? Mantissa will be the same in all cases. 4926. This is your answer. Part 3 is equal to, part 3 is equal to log 0.0020 3109. Here this is the decimal point. On the left are 0, and after this 2 immediate 0 you write 3 bar is equal to 3 bar. This 3 bar. Point. Now this is the characteristics, this is decimal point. You will see 3109. You again write this number 4926. This is the mantissa. Mantissa will remain the same in all cases. You write here 4926. Now this is the answer. Fourth part of this question is log 0.3109. You will use here, this is our decimal point, this is our 0. It means we subtract 1 from 0 minus 1, we write 1 bar. This is our characteristics. Now 3109, again the mantissa will be this main same, 4926. You write here 4926. Now this is our second question of this number. Then again we find the anti-log of this question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Find the number whose common reciprocal are given. Now here we will find the number. Let log x, this is given, log x is equal to, the first part, 3.5621. Now here characteristic is 3, mantissa is equal to 0.5621. Now this is you will use also the calculator. We will use the calculator. Press shift log and 5621 is equal to, you write here, you write this number is equal to 36. You write this number by the using of calculator, 3648.37. Again we will use this calculator. Press shift log 3.5621 is equal to, again 3648. This is our answer. You again this in proper ways. Log x is equal to 3.5621, taking anti-log on the both side. This we will get anti-log log x is equal to anti-log is equal to 3.5621. Now this is our number. This anti-log will cancel this log. You have only x. You will find the anti-log of this number by using the calculator. Press shift log 3.5621. This is our number. you press the equal, you will get 3648. Now this is your answer. Similarly, the next number is 1 bar point 7427. Let again log x is equal to 1 bar point 7427, taking antilog, taking antilog is antilog of this 1 bar point 7427. This antilog will cancel this antilog. You will get only here x is equal to, we will find this number. You press 0.737427 is equal to, again press log 0.477427 is equal to, you write 55296. Ignoring the decimal point here, 55296. You leave this number, you add in this, you will get x is equal to 5530. This 10 and again 1 moved from into add to 2, 3. Now the question is, we put the decimal point is here. This is our characteristic 1. It is equal to -1. You add +1 is 0. It means you put the decimal point in front of this number. Now this is your answer. The question now, the question is 4. Question number 4. Find the value of variable. What replacement for the unknown in each of the following will make the statement true? Now first part is equal to log 81 to the base 3 is equal to L. Now here we will use this relationship, a power x is equal to y. This is exponential form. We write in logarithm form, log y to the base a is equal to x. Log y to the base a is equal to x. Again we write back to this, a power x is equal to y. This is our exponential form. This is our logarithm form. This is our logarithm form is given. We write in exponential form. Now this 3 base L. Now we write this 3 to power L is equal to 81. Now 3 L is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3L is equal to 3 power 4. Now base are same. This is 3, this is also 3. Base is same. We equate the power. Now power L is equal to 4. Right here L is equal to 4. Now comparing both sides, 3, 3. Now we write L is equal to 4. Now the answer of this question. The second part of this question is log 6 to the base a is equal to 0.5. Now again we use this relationship. We have, this is our base, this is power, a power 0.5 is equal to 6. Now right here a 0.5, write 1 over 2. This is equal to 0.5 is equal to 1 over 2 is equal to 6. We want to find the value of a. It means we squaring both sides. A power 1 by 2 square 6 power square. Now this will cancel this. Only a is here. 6 power 2 we write 36. Now this is your answer. Part 3 is equal to log n to the base 5 is equal to 2. This is given, logarithm form is given. We write in exponential form. It means 5 power 2 is equal to n. Now 5 power 2 means 25. 5 multiplied by 5. You write here n is equal to 25. Now this is your answer. The same, the fourth part of this number is equal to 10p, 10 power p is equal to 40. Now this is exponential form is given. We write in logarithm form. This log 40 to the base 10, log 40 to the base 10 is equal to p. Log 40 to the base 10 is equal to p. Right here p is equal to log 40 to the base 10. This is logarithm form. The p is equal to, you find, it means log 40. You will write only log 40. 40 is equal to, you write answer 1.6021. This is your answer. It means log p, 10 power p is equal to 440. This is right in exponential form. You write in logarithm form. First you write log 40 to the base 10 is equal to p. You will see the log 40 from the log table, or you will use the calculator. Log 40 is equal to 1.6021. Now this is your answer. Similarly, question number is 5. Question number 5. Log 1 over 128. 1 over 128 to the base 2. First, we let this is equal to x. Let x is equal to log 1 over 128 to the base 2. Now this is base and we write in exponential form. Now this power will be base. 2 power x is equal to 1 over 28. 2x is equal to 1 over 128. 2x is equal to 1 over 128. Now you factorize 128. 128 use here. 2, 6, 4, 2, 30, 2, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2 2s and 2 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 2x is equal to 1 over 2 minus 7. 2 power 7, only 2 power 7. X, 2 power x is equal to, we will write this denominator in the numerator. The power will be minus 2 power minus 7. We'll go this on the numerator. The sign of the power will be changed. 2 power x is equal to 2 power minus 7. Base are same. You equate the power x is equal to minus 7. Now this is your answer. The second part of this question, log, second part, log 512 to the base is equal to 2 under root 2. You write in this form, log 512 to the base right here 2 under 2. Let again log 512 to the base 2 under root 2 is equal to x. Now this is base, and this x will be power of this base. 2 into under root 2 power x is equal to 512. Now 2 power 1 into 2 power 1 by 2, this is radical form, you write in exponential form. Here x is equal to 512. Now you add 1 plus 1 by 2, because these base are same, to 3 by 2. Now 3 by 2 is equal to 2 power 3 by 2 is equal to, now you factorize 512. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are. Now 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are, 2 6, 2 4, 2 32, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2s are, and 2 again. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 power 9, 2 power 9. Now here also the power x is equal to also power x. Power over power, power will multiply. It means 2 power 3 by 2 x. This x will multiply this 3 by 2 is equal to power 3 over 2. X is equal to 2 power 9. Now base are same. This is base 2. This is also base 2. We equate the powers. 3 by 2 x is equal to 9. Now we want to find the value of x. X is here, 9 multiplied by, this will be divided by 9. This will be reciprocal of 2 by 3. You write here 2 by 3. Now 3 1s are, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. X is equal to 6. Now x is equal to 6 of this question. 6 is the answer of this question. Now question number 6. Question number 6 of this question. Question number 6. Again log. This is first part. Log x to the base 2 is equal to 5. Now again this is base. This is power become the power. This is in logarithm form. You write this into exponential form. 2 power 5 is equal to x. Now x is equal to 2 power 5. It means 2 is multiplying each other by 5 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Now x is equal to 32. Now this is your answer. The second part of this number, this exercise of the question 6, log 9 to the base 81. This is equal to x. Again this is base and this will be power x. You write here in exponential form. 81 power x is equal to 9. Now here 81 is equal to 9 power 2, 9 2, again x is equal to 9. This power over power, power over power, power will multiply. 9 2x is equal to here 9 power 1. Write here 1. Now base is the same, 9, here also 9. You equate the power, 2x is equal to 1. 2x is equal to 1. Now we want to find the value of x. 2 is multiplying with x. You will divide this 2 by 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. Now this is your answer of this part. Again log, third part of this question, log 8 to the base 64 is equal to x over 2. Now this is our base 64 and this will be the power in exponential form. Now this will become the power of 64. 64 power x over 2. is equal to 8. Now again we write 8 power 2, 64 is equal to 8 power 2. 8 power 2 over x over 2 is equal to 8. You multiply this 2 by x by 2 because power over power will multiply. 8 2 multiply x over 2, 2 will cancel this, is equal to 8 power 1. Now 8 power x is equal to 8 power 1. Now base is the same, this is also base, this is base 8, this is also base 8. You write here base is equal, we equate the power. Now x is equal to 1. Now again you will write here comparing both sides, 8 8 x is equal to 1. Now this is your answer. This is the third part of this question. Now fourth part of this question is log 64 to the base 2 to the base x is equal to 2. Now this is our base x, this will become the power of this x. You write here in exponential form x power 2 is equal to 64. Now again x2 is equal to 8 power 2. Now this x power 2 is equal to 8 power 2. Now here power are same, we equate the bases. Now 2 here power 2 is power also 2, we equate this base, x is equal to 8. Now this is your answer of this question. Again last part of this question is fifth part, log x to the base 3 is equal to 4. Now this is our base 3, this is become the power of 3. Now this power become 4. You write in exponential form 3 4 is equal to x. Right here x is equal to 3 4. Now again x is equal to 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. X is equal to 9 and 27 and 27 3 81. Now this is the 4 times 3 is equal to 81. Now this is your answer, x is equal to 81 of this question, of this the part of this fifth part of this question. Now this is your finished 3.2. Next we will solve the exercise 3.1.